Welcome to Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse. In this video, we'll see how you can check reports in the time tracking section. To start, navigate to the time tracking section and select Reports. This will lead you to the Reports dashboard. At the top of the dashboard, you'll find a drop-down menu. Clicking on this will reveal 4 types of reports: Time Report, Time Off Report, Expense Report, and Invoice Report. Let's explore each of these reports individually. We'll begin with the Time Report. Here, you'll find a detailed overview of the time report. You have the option to customize the time duration by clicking on the calendar and selecting a specific month and date. Once you've made your selection, click Apply. As you'll notice, the data automatically updates to reflect the chosen time period. The dashboard features Hours graph, and you can hover over any of the bars to see the hours for a specific date. Below the graph, you'll find a list of project names. If you want to exclude any projects from the graph, simply click on the project name. To include it again, click on the project name once more. Further down, you'll see a list of all projects, including their duration and amount. You can change this view to a weekly or detailed view as per your preference. Next, let's move on to the Time Off Report. This report features a graph and a list of all leaves. Following this, we have the Expense Report, where you can see all expenses graph and a list of all approved expenses. Finally, we have the Invoice Report. Select this option to view all invoices report. And that's how you can quickly check reports in the time tracking section. Streamline your project management with Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse.